Yeah.
You mix steak in there, Susie? What? They just fell in.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure what they're doing out there. It looks like Jacob's gonna pull the dually somewhere. Something happened to the dually a few weeks ago. I can't remember exactly what it was. I can't even remember what it was called. Anyway. Okay, I guess they're moving it over there, so if something happens with that tree during the winter storm that's coming, it wouldn't fall on the dually. Drive line, that's what it was. I just came back inside. We've been out there getting the animals all set up and ready. It is Saturday. When y'all are seeing this, hopefully it's Monday, unless we don't have power. It might be Tuesday. Right now it's Saturday, just a little bit after 5 o'clock. It's not supposed to start raining or freezing rain or anything here until around 7 or 8, I think. So we've still got a couple of hours until anything starts. Titus is throwing out bird seed for the birds, y'all. And he ain't playing. I mean, he's got like a 15 or 20 pound bag. He is putting it down. These birds around here are not gonna be hungry. They were out here looking for some stuff a few minutes ago, so he grabbed his bag of bird seed. It's 9:32 on Sunday morning now. We've already had some flickering of the power going on for about an hour. We're cleaning and getting laundry put away. I got all the clothes washed, besides just, you know, a couple of little things. I have lots of things of water filled up everywhere. Some here, a bunch of them in the bathroom, and we have some gallons of water that we bought in here. We're out here checking on the animals and limbs and stuff. That one just fell right before. Oh, there went something else.
Look at that.
Okay, y'all. It is 10:44. We've had one huge limb fall, which was pretty much half of the tree, and one whole tree. But it was kind of a smaller one. But thankfully, the one big limb did hit the house, but it just kind of dented the gutter. I'm gonna go ahead and make up some chili, because I'm pretty sure the power will go out here in just a little bit. You can hear trees falling everywhere outside, like even far distances away. You just hear loud pops and then, yes.
If y'all think the tree that fell in the yard is tiny, it's huge.
Yeah, it's pretty big. It's not like a gigantic tree, but it's, you know,
Pretty big.
we're very glad it fell in the yard and not toward the house.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this like a taco chili. We'll put some black beans. And I think I have some Rotel. We'll use these fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chilies.
I'll go get some lights.
Where's the what? Yeah,
What do you mean?
we've got those old, we've
Oh, yeah.
been doing a lot of vintage shopping, so we have a lot of things that don't need power. Here's the seasoning. We're using taco seasoning because it's a taco chili. All right, we'll just move this over to the wood stove because it looks like it's not coming right back on this time. Okay, y'all, it is, oh, there's no clock over there because the power's off. It's, I think, what time is it, Sissy?
It is 12:30.
12, I thought it was around 12:30, 12:32. The chili is great. That's actually like the best taco chili I think I've ever had. And I've made taco chili before, but that is good. I mean, that is great good. Lots of trees and limbs keep falling. Thankfully, the ones that have fallen have either been in the woods or they've fallen into the yard, not on top of anything. One did, like a big branch did fall on Tyler's truck, but it was the back of his truck and it didn't do anything to it. So hopefully things that fall will just continue to fall in the woods and not anywhere else. So that one fell. There's one right over there that it's kind of close to Tyler's truck, but it didn't reach the truck. I'm not sure if that's a whole tree. It sounded like a whole tree. We were in here, it just fell probably 10 minutes ago, and it's raining right now, so I don't want to go out there. Plus, it's kind of dangerous to even walk through the yard right now unless you're just in the very middle of the yard. Lots of limbs are falling right here now, little ones. We keep hearing these pops, and it sounds like gunshots, but it's not gunshots. It is trees popping and falling, or limbs popping and falling off of them. Okay, y'all. Oh no. What was that? That tree that's moving right there just broke in half. We're about to have to bring out some lights. It's been okay, but it's almost 4 now, I think, so the sun's gonna be going back behind us and we'll have to bring some lights in.
We're making some coffee and some hot chocolate.
Somebody was reporting up in Helen on our local station and said that 47% of people in the county have no power. This is why you get prepared. Even if nothing happens, you can still use whatever you got to get prepared. And if something does happen, you are prepared. I grabbed a flashlight so I could see how the coffee's looking. I think it needs to go a few more minutes. That's a little light. The rain's starting to pick up again.
Right there. That is
I feel like I'm on a Chopped episode right now, and this is my options right now. So I'm coming in here for my family to see what I can cook on that wood stove.
If it quits raining, you could cook the steak on the grill. Peanut butter.
peanut butter and jelly.
Okay. We got the generator. We can hook up stuff, but I mean, it's like a refrigerator on the back porch, so.
I mean, when I say we got trees down everywhere, we got them down everywhere.
Okay, Meanie Mac. Peanut butter and jelly coming up.
I kind of like the power off.
You
Say I
do?
want coffee. No fair.
This morning, I was like, I need to grind up all these beans before we lose power, and then I was like, never mind.
Tonight, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a steak, a great steak, on an iron skillet on a wood stove. First of all, we're gonna need some room temperature butter. Let's get that out of our refrigerator. This has already been kind of warming up for us. Let me get my bottom drawer open. I don't know why y'all didn't want some steak.
They don't want to wait. They're feeling like it's going to take too long.
Yeah, but this,
Oh, y'all don't have
I'm
to
already
worry.
full of the main course now.
They all started grabbing the chili.
The power goes out and they want to do peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And I'm sitting there thinking, I can cook a steak on this bad boy right here.
How much chili is left? Oh yeah, there's still a little bit in there.
Salt, pepper, garlic powder. You gotta have it. Smoked paprika.
We're not going to have to wait. I thought it was going to be a waiting game.
Yeah, me
Look at what you could do in the old days, folks. All right, let's see how we did here. Very tender. That is so tender. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's just a little bit of pink in there. I like the old stuff better.
They'll plug those up to the generator out there.
Can y'all barely see me? I'm red too.
They like to play hide and seek when the power goes out. Is it raining out there?
Oh, it's
Snowing or just rain?
Snowing? It's snowing?
It said earlier there was a little snow mixed in. All right, it's the next morning. I'm coming out here to look at the yard. We've got a lot of trees down. This is one of the first ones that fell yesterday. There's still a lot of ice on the trees right now. At the moment, it's like 25 degrees. This one, I don't think it's falling down. I think it's just laying down because it's heavy from the ice. See this little tree? It's just kind of leaning. You can see right here how much ice there is. And then there are several trees down in the woods. I don't even know how many fell. We just kept hearing them pop and crack, actually all over. This tree right here just cracked. You can see where it cracked right there and fell. I think that's a couple of trees there. This is the one, Tyler's truck was parked right there, so this tree right now would be covering his truck, but thankfully he moved his truck just a few hours before to right here. I think it was a few hours before, it might have been the evening before, but I'm pretty sure he moved it that morning, yesterday morning. Either way, he moved it just in time. Over here on the side, these fell, this tree fell. It barely dented the gutter up there. I don't know if y'all can tell, like right there. It just dented it a little bit. Thankfully, it wasn't tall enough to mess anything up too much on the house. This one fell back here in the back. Y'all can go ahead and come out. They didn't get to come out yesterday. She's like, I don't know about this. I think I'll stay in. Got a couple eggs already this morning. They're sticking close by the coop. They're like, we don't know about this. Roosty's over here on the front porch. He wants to stay right here where there's no ice. So that's how it is here. Hopefully everybody has their power back on, and I hope for everybody else it was the same, just trees falling in places that didn't mess stuff up. All right, I'm gonna get some coffee. We're gonna get this Monday started.